Hello my PC students. Now this assignment is going to take you back just to refresh your memory on conditional formatting. So we're going to click in cell. Now what I did is I opened up the one called XX if statements, exercise 432. I saved it and I've changed the view to 150. So this is where we want you to be. So click in cell D4 here, hold down your shift key and click in cell D8. Alright, and now we're going to go to your home tab. You're going to go to conditional formatting, and remember, if we just use the basic ones, let's say here data bars, and choose a color, you can hover over top. You see the solid fills, and remember I told you about the solid fills. They're pretty dark when you go to print them out, so your gradient fills are likely a better choice to stay with. Alright, I'm going to choose green, and you see how the largest numbers are filled right to the end and the others are filled accordingly. Okay, now you said, gee, when we went here, we only had, on the data bars, we only had 6 colors: blue, green, orange, yellow, and a different blue, and pink. And you said, I'd like to choose my own color. So we're going to go to Manage Rules, and this time we're not going to say New Rule, we're going to say Edit Rule. Edit Rule. And now, leave the gradient color, we said we like that, but we're going to choose a color. So you want to choose a color that you didn't have the opportunity to choose from. Alright, so let's go to maybe more colors, and let's go to standard, and I'm going to pick out this lime green, okay? Alright, say okay. You can pick out whatever color you want, as long as it's not too dark. And now, and I could change the border and everything, but I'm not going to. Solid color, okay, maybe I should change it. Maybe I'll make it purple. Okay, I'll make my border color purple. Alright, and now say okay, and say okay one more time. And now if I click off, you can see the border that I chose and the light green fill that I chose. So that's all there is to your conditional formatting. Highlight your text, put in your condition that you want, and change it, and that's it. Now I chose green here, so I said go to your sheet tab and change the name to interviews. And I said change the color, so right click, go to tab color, and I want this green that I chosen. Remember, when you're not on the sheet, you see the color. When you're on the sheet, you see the glow. Okay, that's all that you had to do there. Basically, you've got some formatting to do, but you know how to do all that, so I'm not going to go over that with you. So we'll stop there. Save your work.